Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Honor Pad V9. So first what we want to do is check the cable and the charger for any damage or compatibility with the device. So make sure to use the original charger. Now what else you guys can do is to clean the charging port with a non-metallic tool, because when you use something metallic you can only damage the port and not clean it. So here, as you guys can see, we have the port. Now if we want to do something, then do it carefully. Basically you cannot enable fast charging in the settings, so when you go over to settings and then battery, you won't be able to enable it here. So make sure to test another fast charger or maybe the outlet one. And what else can you guys do is update your software to fix the charging bugs, because they happen a lot. So let's go over to the settings. Now here, scroll down until you guys see system and updates. Here click software update, and now it will check automatically if you run the latest version of the software. So make sure to run the latest version just like me, and that would be it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.